Hey, Nick Watson here at Joseph Motors. Going to add a new vehicle to the YouTube page. This is a 2013 Ford F-250 four-wheel drive, 6.2 liter gas. Really nice, slick, clean unit that we've got here. Johnny and I are going to go around the vehicle and do a 360 real quick. Go down the sides, no scratches, no dents, no dings, which is super surprising on a vehicle of this age. No rips or tears in the seats. Floors are in great shape. 4x4, cruise control, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, heated mirrors, side impact airbags. It's a nappy utility body down the side of it here. Really nice and clean. Bigfoot 10-ply, like an all-terrain tire that's on it. These vehicles are all one owner from rust-free environments. They're all fully serviced at our Fleet Repair Center, Truck South, where all your spin-on filters and fluids are topped off and replaced. Got any questions about this unit, please give me a call. Either me, I'm Nick, that's John on the other side of the phone. You can give us a call at 919-661-2886. Look forward to your call. Have a great day.